Hello everyone! In this video review, we will tell you about the Universal Indicator for Binary Options Trend Catcher. With its help, it is easy to determine not only the trend in the market, but also the moments for making transactions. In its parameters, you can set up messages for signals to buy call options and put options. This will make it especially convenient in trading. But as always, it was not without certain nuances that should be taken into account in order to increase the percentage of profitable transactions. We will tell you how to do this in this video review. Now a few words about how to install the Trend Catcher indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all the settings, is installed in the MetaTrader 4 platform in a standard way. Look for a link to download the archive with the indicator, as well as instructions for installing it in the description under this video. Let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this indicator. Trend Catcher generates signals for opening a position on the chart of the asset you have selected, indicating with a blue dot the purchase of call options and a red one the purchase of put. The developers claim that this rather simple tool can easily determine the market trend. It will also notify you of this in advance by providing a notification of an upcoming change in price direction. The bars indicating the trend direction are highlighted in a certain color. Yes, bars. Therefore, for better visual perception, we recommend switching from displaying a candlestick chart to bars. On the screen, you can see how after a signal to buy call options appears, indicated by a blue dot, the price bars turn green, indicating an upward trend. Similarly, after the signal to buy put options appears, as indicated by the red dot, the bars are colored red, indicating the beginning of a downward trend. Only the flat bars remain uncolored. It is quite difficult to determine the operating principle of this indicator since the developers have hidden most of its parameters, leaving users with the ability to only change colors and set up alerts. You can set up a signal network in the Colors tab. Now let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this indicator. Trend Catcher can be used not only for buying binary options call and put, but also as a signal tool in the Forex market. In this case, we recommend that after the alert for opening a position appears, a protective stop order be placed behind the minimum or maximum of the candle, depending on the direction of trading on which the dot appeared, or behind the nearest price rollback. After that, the currency trader only has to wait for the price movement in the predicted direction. However, binary options traders cannot wait and should rely solely on the quality of the signals of the indicator itself. Therefore, to improve the quality of Trend Catcher signals, we recommend using an additional filter, with which you can increase the percentage of successful transactions. In our case, such a filter will be an analog of a simple moving average indicator, HAMA. We will process only those indicator signals whose direction does not contradict the readings of the HAMA, that is, the color of the trend indicator. For buying call options, the HAMA should be blue, and for buying put options, red. So, to buy call options, you need 1. For the HAMA indicator to become blue. 2. A blue dot appears under the candle. 3. At the opening of a new candle, we buy a call option. To buy put options, you need 1. For the HAMA to become red. 2. A red dot appears above the candle. And 3. At the opening of a new candle, we buy a put option. We recommend setting the expiration time from 3 to 5 candles. Choose the position holding period depending on the selected financial instrument and the results of testing on historical data. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. To improve trading results using this tool, we recommend trading on its signals in the middle of the current trend. We have already told you more than once what a bearish and bullish trend is on the pages of our website. This indicator is good at determining the end of a correction and the beginning of a new price impulse in the direction of the main trend, which once again emphasizes the importance of trading binary options in the direction of the trend. Also, do not forget about the importance of trading during active hours of financial markets to reduce the likelihood of price manipulation and the appearance of false signals. The main advantage of Trend Catcher is that it not only helps to determine the moment of opening a trade, but also identifies bullish and bearish trends, which increases the reliability of its signals. In addition, it warns the user in advance of possible price reversals, when the color of the candles changes from bullish, that is green, to bearish, red, and vice versa. This color coding will help you identify potential market reversal points. In addition, Trend Catcher generates alerts in real time, providing up-to-date information about the beginning of a new trend. This will help to react promptly to changes in the market situation and increase the chances of successful trading. Despite all the advantages, this indicator is not without its drawbacks. We do not recommend using it on lower timeframes due to the large number of false signals. It is optimal to use it on H1 and higher. In addition, it is not entirely clear how exactly it works and what algorithm it uses to generate its messages. Hidden parameters do not allow you to flexibly customize its operation for various financial instruments and time periods. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account and historical data, without forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website, and you will be constantly up to date with the latest news from the sphere trading, binary options, cryptocurrency, and Forex. Thank you for your attention. We wish you all good profit and safe trading. And so that you do not doubt the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its work in real time and confirm that its signals are not redrawn.